Hey everybody, what you're looking at in front of you right now is week 1 assignment 7. So we're wrapping up our first week. We're over 25% of the way. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey everybody, you are looking right now at a codon wheelie and week 1 assignment 7 titled The Genetic Code. You should read the directions for the genetic code, and then down below what you will be doing is proving that you understand how to use the wheel. So first, a slight explanation of how to use the codon wheelie. Let's say, for example, I am looking for alanine. What I do is go around this outside wheel until I find it. I locate it right here. Now what I'm going to do is, in this column titled codons that code for this amino acid, I am going to write all possible combinations that would make up alanine. So remember, when we're using the wheel, the first letter is whichever one of the 4 here in the center. So our first letter is G. Second letter is in this next row. And since it's alanine here, I'm going to go from G to C. And then it doesn't actually matter what the third letter is, whether it's GCG, A, C, or U. Any one of them would give me alanine. So what I'm going to do over here is type out GCG, GCA, GCC, and GCU. I'm going to then double check that alanine does not show up twice on the list. It does not. So then I can say there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different combinations that would make up or give you alanine. So 4 separate codons that all code for the same amino acid. All right. I'm going to do one more because this one's kind of tricky. Looking for arginine. So if I go over here, I see arginine is right here. Our first letter is C. Second letter is G. It's leading us down there. And then again, it doesn't matter which one it is. So I'm going to put over here that it could be CGG, comma, CGA, comma, CGC, comma, CGU. Then I'll do a quick double check. Arginine, is it anywhere else? No. Oh, right here, we have arginine again. So then after my GCU on my assignment, I'm going to put in A, G, G, and A, G, A. So that means there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different codons that would give me arginine. By the time you're done with this sheet, you are going to be very good at using the wheel and possibly very upset that we asked you to do this. So enjoy, keep working hard. Thank you. Bye.